Good morning. Such a long break, wasn't it? Okay, so few days without the online lessons and without the tasks, but now we are back to our routine. So welcome on Thursday, and I hope you're ready for new challenges. So today on maths, I would like you to get known 3D shapes a bit better. So during our online lesson, we are having spelling test with the names of the 3D shapes. And during the lesson you are asked to do, you will learn a bit more about the properties of 3D shapes. So first, I would like you to watch the video, and then there is a worksheet to your um, check your understanding after watching the video. So the worksheet is editable as usually. So three options for you: printing it out, filling it in on your computer, or just writing down the answers in your math notebook. This time, to make it a bit easier, sometimes it happens that you edit the worksheet that I upload, and then the students can't find uh, the blank worksheet to be completed. So this time in your folders, you will find the folder with May 28th, and you've got all editable worksheets needed for today. Okay, so you may use them from there, or if you want to print them out, you may just use them from the folder that I always create with today's date. For the volunteers, there are two Kahoot games about 3D shapes and their properties, of course. It's Thursday, so as usually, Miss Catherine's uploaded some new books for the book club, so you are asked to read one. And there is also the worksheet about expressing future with the form be going to. So we use it for intentions, for predictions, and for commands sometimes. So I would like you to practice. And as usually, the worksheet is editable, and you will find it either in your folder with in the folder with today's date, like the 28th of May, or in the folder with today's tasks. And some options for you as always: printing it out, choosing online, or just writing down the answers in your English notebook. And finally, unit of inquiry task for today. So I want you to read the tale of Fern Fossil. So that story will be found on Google Drive. I'm so sorry. So you will find it on Google Drive with the resources you need. The tale of Fern Fossil. It's like one page, and I want you to draw the illustration for that tale. It may look like comics, so you can divide that piece of paper into some parts and then draw the main parts or each paragraph of the tale. But it's not obligatory. Um, you may use your creativity and present the story in a different way. Okay, so just imagine that someone can't read, and you want to tell the story of the fern fossil without the words, using just the pictures. Okay, that's your task for today. And for the volunteers, Kahoot about the call. So if you like challenges, if you want to try, if you want to check your knowledge, just use the Kahoot games. Congratulations to those who completed the last Kahoot challenges about lines of symmetry. Some tasks were tricky, but you did really great job. So there are some people with all the answers correct. So well done. I rewarded you with some pluses. So new challenges on Kahoot for you. So see you at 10:30. If you remember and you were able to collect some plant leaves, twigs, sand, and you've got a plastic container, you can prepare it for the lesson as well, because we are going to have a kind of experiment. We'll try to make our own coal, like just to see the process of making the coal. Of course, we're not going to wait so many years to do it, but I just would like you to understand the idea of the process. Okay, so if you've got the stuff, you can prepare it for the online lesson. If you did not collect the needed things, you didn't have time, you couldn't find them, don't worry. I will do it in my place, and then we'll observe it on our online meetings. So see you at 10:30.